Hi, this is Lana Tolbert with Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady. And here we are, our second installment of putting a metal roof on. In the first installment, you saw that we had a standing seam metal roof that's been removed, and we've iced and watered the whole deck here. And what that does is it's a self-sealing underlayment. So any place that a nail penetrated, it's sealed around the nail. So that's kind of cool. And then for the stone-coated steel, this is the profile we'll be using. It's a barrel vault. It'll interlock over the panels like this. And that's the cool thing about the stone-coated steel panel over the panel that came off, in that we've created an airspace. And that airspace is going to let the roof breathe, giving the home inside about an R-form insulation, making about a 10-degree difference. Now this is the garage. On the main living part of the home, we've actually added a radiant barrier, reflective barrier. And what this does is it makes the insulation in the home smarter, basically. So 97% of the energy gained is going to be reflected up, and 87% of the energy from the home will be reflected back down. And by adding this radiant barrier, we're increasing the utility savings, or the interior temperature, by 20 degrees. So we went 10-degree difference just on the plain side, and you can get a 20-degree comfort level difference with the radiant barrier. And then the same thing, battens go over the top of that, and then we'll put the beautiful floral tile on over that. So thank you for joining us for this episode of How Does a Metal Roof Get Installed? Be sure and metal up with a Lianro roof.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lianro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.